Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the topic addition of integers on a number line from integers 6 plus ncert. Now we are going to learn about the addition of integers. Earlier classes we already learned about the addition. Those are plus 5 plus 4, that is 9, 20 plus 3, 23, etc. So we know how to sum up the whole numbers, but in this case we have to add integers. So how we are going to add integers? In integers we have both positive numbers and negative numbers with a 0. We already learnt up the both positive and 0 numbers in addition. So if you take 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. So we know this. But in case of positive and negative numbers with a 0, how we are going to add integers with both positive and negative numbers? Here are some cases are there. One is positive number with positive number, we already know it. And if you are positive number, take and with a negative number, and with a negative number, with a negative number, with a negative number, and with a positive number. So these are the 4 cases of integer additions. So we have to add the both numbers. We know positive number in previous we learnt about it. But in case of positive and negative, so I'm going to tell you with a just small activity here. I'm sure that you will understand about this. Let's take these coins, yellow coins, as positive numbers. So this is as positive. Yellow. Let it be, this is as example. So this is yellow. Let's take these red numbers are with a negative. Okay. If we are going to positive, we are know. Positive and negative. If you take 4 negative plus minus 1. So how we are going to add? So we have to take the 4 yellow numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 with a negative. So this is the negative. So both negatives are cancelled. We got the answer 3. So this is the one easiest way. If you take both negative numbers, let's see, minus 1 plus minus 1. So if you use the answer is, so if you take both minus 1 and another minus 1, so we get a minuses. So these two are 2 with a minus symbol. So red is in minus symbol, right? So we get a minus 2 as answer. If you coming to the third case, this is fourth case, one negative number, let it be minus 3, and one positive number, so plus 2. So how we are getting? So let 3 minus 3 here, take minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, so minus 3 with a positive 2. So take 2. So these two are cancelled together. This is 1. So here this is 1, nothing but a minus 1. So answer is minus 1. This is simple, right? But we cannot choose always this method for the addition of integers. If you take minus 20 plus 40, we have to add this. Then how we are going to tell? We have to take the 20 negative integers with a red coins and plus 40 with a yellow coins. We cannot do that at a time with these activities. But we have a just simplification method, that is nothing but a number line. Take a number line. This is a number line. Now this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and minus 8. So this is the number line with a positive. This is right side and this is left side with a negative, right? So now we have to add any two integers and a number line. So let's take addition, add. So see here, take this case. So let it be case 1, both positive numbers. So case 1, add 3 plus 5 on a number line. Start with 0, add 3. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And this is plus 3. And next add plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get 8. This is simple, right? Let's take from 0, add 3 and add additional plus 5. This is the just case 1 addition of integers. Next, take second case of the addition in a number line. So both one is positive number and another one is negative number. So take case 2. This is case 1, right? So case 2. Case 2 is similarly minus 3 plus minus 5. We have to take it. So similarly take 0. We have to add minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this is minus 3 and minus 5. We have to add minus 5 to it. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 5. So like this. I hope you understand this. Next, coming to the third case, that is case 3. Case 3 is negative with a negative number. Negative. Let it be as third case already we done. Those one is negative, another negative. Case 2 we have to do. So this is case 2, right? Positive and negative. Positive and negative. So let's take it as a plus 5 minus of plus minus 3. Let's take number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9. So positive and negative. So now we have to add plus 5 minus 3 at a time. So see here, start with a 0. So plus here with a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5. Next minus 3. So we have to subtract minus 3 from 5. So in this case, if you add positive number to a positive number, we are moving to right side, right? So right side. If we are adding negative number to a negative number, we are moving to the left side. So here we have to conclude that if we are adding a positive number, we have to move on a right side in a number line. If we are adding a negative number, we have to move left to the number line. So here similarly this is a positive number, right? So plus 5. So that's why we are moving into the right. So this is right side. Now we have to add minus 3. So from 5. So this is 5. We have to minus 3. So this is 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So we have to minus it like this. So this is minus 3 to the left side. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. This is the answer for the case. One is positive and another one is negative. If you take one negative number and another positive number. So similarly on this, take case 4. One is negative number with a positive. Similarly take minus 5 plus 3. So let's start from 0. We have to move to the left side because of it is a negative number. So this is minus 5. We have to add 3 times. So we have to move to the right side, right? So this is plus symbol. So right side. So 1 minus 2, sorry, plus 1. 1, 2, 3. So like this. This is plus 3. So we are getting minus 2 as answer. This is the addition on number line with these 4 cases. Those are positive, 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 negative, negative, negative and negative positive numbers of integers on a number line. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box. Click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.